Look at this rig, huh, bud? Some chicken for the day, dude. Starting off right. No more tuna, dude. I literally everywhere, dude. Tuna, I don't know, dude. They need to stay in the goddamn ocean.
All right, AJ, go in the car and rev it, dude.
While you're doing it?
No. Just rev
do it
it
before
once.
and
Like,
after.
I want to hear. I want them to hear. Okay, now rev the car. Oh my god.
Wow.
You know what I mean?
His stupid method worked.
That you can post that like 6-second clip and just be like, how to
Well, she's smoking a little bit. It's got a little bit of oil still on the valve cover gasket, but we're gonna borrow my friend's
valve cover gasket.
same. It's got great head gaskets on this thing.
That can't be good for the car.
Mine doesn't, dude. I've been doing it for a long time.
Yeah, so we're gonna get the dealer plate and then we're gonna take it for a ride.
Mine's more delayed because I actually have like piping. He's literally just intercooler.
Yeah, it's
right
all
there, so
within.
The flutter's fast.
Mm-hmm. I don't think I heard it at all. Your method didn't work. Go, do it from a short distance. I hear it. I don't hear it at all. I hear it from out here.
We really hear when you drove by though.
I hear it. I don't hear it at all. Oh yeah! You'll definitely hear that. That was loud. That was mad loud from outside the car. No, in second gear, dude, it was loud.
It's still working. We have to hit it more. There we go.
That is so loud.
That's the ticket.
Do it again in second. The second method is mad loud.
He literally hammered the blow-off valve shut.
Yeah, like with a sledgehammer, yeah.
He's just out having a blast right
That thing
now.
is such a pile, dude.
I like those seats. Are they out of a 14? Yeah. Nice. That's cool.
Look at this rice off.
Yeah.
It's mad loud.
I love this thing, dude. Damien's about to this thing.
Do a burnout. Try it. Oh my god. Yeah, his sounds like a f***ing 240.
It does.
Yours sounds like a SR20 when the blow off does that.
Really?
Yeah, it sounded like a straight.
Try just in first, because I have my quick spool.
It sounded like a drift car.
Just like a 4-person car meet right now.
It was good both times. Some
plug my math back in so we should be happy.
God, that hurts.
Yeah.
That literally like blew my eardrums out.
I'm saying, dude, we should speed run blowing the cat out of that thing, and then you should sell it empty. I could just plug the cable in and
This thing smells real crispy.
oh my god. It's kind of quick.
Dude,
Not bad.
it runs pretty mint.
That's not bad.
turbo making some
$800 for this thing.
I should just daily this.
You should, dude.
You gotta do the valve cover gaskets though.
Clean it up and
No,
do a couple.
I think it just
maintenance
needs to burn off, dude. Because it was sitting for so long, so it was just seeping on the exhaust.
Give it the sauce.
I smell oil.
Dude, it rips.
Yeah, this thing is nice, dude. It sounds good too.
Yeah, it's a decent. If I put the other downpipe on and sell this one, I found someone today just messaged me saying that they give $13.50
For a cat, for
Yeah.
a stock downpipe, that's crazy. It definitely smells bad.
It runs pretty good though.
Check the oil.
No, is that a thing?
Yeah.
Is that a...
Dude, it rips. For an $800 car, you ain't buying an $800 car that rips this hard.
No, definitely not.
Definitely smells like oil,
This thing boogies.
but I don't give a as long as it don't catch on fire, who cares? I'm that the radio doesn't work.
Jeez, those brakes are absolutely...
Yeah, the brakes are really bad.
Oh, I smell them. I smell the brakes real bad. You smell that?
Oh yeah.
Jeez.
Other than that, dude,
That was 90. It did not like braking at 90.
No,
that was 90.
The car
Yeah.
did not like
What
90.
the
That was
car.
90.
I thought it was maybe 70.
No, it said 90.
It boogies.
She was wobbling and everything.
Yeah,
too.
it was wobbling pretty good. I think you should kind of do something with this. It's kind of a fun car, dude. Imagine being 16 and getting this car for $800.
dangerous.
Real dangerous.
Real
It's
dangerous.
a dangerous thing to have.
This is a f***ing hoopty that's not fast, but it goes. Like,
It's
you know
like-
what I mean?
This in the wrong
This is too.
hands.
This is too fast for how hoopty it is.
Yeah, that is a good way to put it.
Man, what a deal. This thing is not bad at all. Radio's
For $800, who cares?
Oh,
you
yeah.
can take the radio out and track this thing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You can
Rally it. This
autocross
is the
it.
oh
Yeah.
my god. Like going to Vermont and just rally the out of this thing.
Is this AJ's new hobby? You're gonna rally it?
No, I'm gonna
You
sell
gotta-
this thing.
Oh man.
Give this guy a nice little pull.
So, as you guys can see, the WRX is the coolest car ever made, the fastest car ever made. It's just great. I couldn't stop hitting the vape in that thing, dude. Yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow us on Facebook. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.